From a lot of people name go Elijah Enugu. Asimezugo kwa biakwana nka na happen. Then after Moye self kwulu crusade a na-eme since na-eme decoration na field ka ego si wee wuru edetu ka abịa na ife niile awụ story ka a na-akọ ịmalụ ụdị ife mmelu from abalị nyaa to tata. It was intentionally kept away yesterday ka ọ ghara discourage ndị mmadụ. Especially the fact that no women na share flex na agwa ndị mmadụ na crusade ya na cancel gay. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha nọ na custody right now. Ịghọtara? Amohom ifo ya profit you na just don't know na dig onunu ka mmadụ ibego da. A lot of people who came to the stadium yesterday evening tonight can attest to the fact that now that stadium was locked down. Now, Evangelist Ebukobi went as far as mentioning the name of Governor of Anambra State. He went as far as mentioning the name of Peter Mba, Enugu State Governor. He went as far as mentioning the name of Governor Hope Uzodimma. He went as far as mentioning the name of Senator Hope Osta Isnazo and so many others. And you think he can mention the names of all these people in vain? Now something that did not happen. You should have a rethink. If you don't know a plan, you people can never rest from planning evil. You people can never rest from planning evil. I know if it is not Onya Ineku, then who else? I called Elijah Enugu. Then I'm going to mention one name. I'm going to Maziafi Napo. If I'm going Elijah Enugu, and this is a case of Elijah and the Ndamuma Baal. And Ndamuma Baal. But yeah, Ebendre had to their news this time around. Before say, yeah, no, you are fighting Catholic, you are fighting Catholic, you are fighting Catholic. A lot of people who need Catholic is one of my followers. But they understand that now them being Catholics cannot stop them from using their brains to think. At least they are not sentimental. They are not using sentiment. They understand that them being Catholics, they are beyond some individuals that want to drag the name of the church to the mud. What will it profit you to bring thousands and millions of people to Enugu and leave them stranded? If you want to move people from Enugu town to Nsukka, from Enugu town to Nsukka, unprepared, just to make sure that they disorganize the program demand. And we come for you about the serious issue. In a who is like with the order in the Catholic for Enugu, go and write it somewhere. With other Catholic go. Not all of them, but they where or hanchani collaborate. We decide that Hamenya with it. Because they don't want that. If you go, man, this particular evangelist will be coming to Enugu. I will even allow it to happen on my own ground. No, namadoma. If it happen, no kata, and I shock in a unnecessary show of force. That particular gathering, I remain on my own ground. By so doing, you won't even know if they do and if they do. But a buri in a field, na stadium, a shock disorganized if I name a stadium. And now people have got the power. Even na Enugu, okay, be an Enugu. Look, let me tell you, you cannot take it away. As far as Ndi Bonine Welu Church or Ndi Bonine Welu Ministry, Evangelism Ebukobi has proven to be the biggest. That is the fact. You can't take it away from him. It is his time. Yes. When they say no, we 10 years, we 20 years. Happen here, we chat in peace. Happy we chat in peace. Eh? What we born and married before we chat. Happy we chat in peace. O go na Imo State, permanent side there. Mwa ebe niile. Ochokwa ebiakwa crusade n'Enugu. Mwa ebe niile. Mwa ebe niile. Sometimes I don't understand. Ụfọdụ a na-atọ ụnụ ife ife ụnụ na-ekwo okoro n'anya ịmana ụma na-etu isi kedu interest Peter Mba n'ife Evangelist Ebuka Obi bịara ime. He clearly has no interest. Or somebody no somewhere chọrọ ka ọ manipulate government chọrọ use government institutions against ife a na-eme. Somebody who think he can press the button wee gosigo na ka ịma nka na ịma nke ọzọ n'ebe ahụ ọkpa ahụ kwụsịrị ka nke onye ọzọ bido. So I'm much go strength to strength, anointing to anointing, power to power, connection to connection, contact to contact. Bịachie na iwe fụ na mgbe nwanụ abụrụzikịta okwu aka na-alịpụtakwu aka na-alịpụta nwobere ịghọtago aka na-alịpụta nwobere chere mgbe arịpụtachala unu people went as far as going to the hotel ebe onye nsọ nọ ka unu jee gụgbaa ya ha ịmakwana unu chọrọ ime alụ o wee gosi unu na ife ọnwụnwụ confirm na chiria na God of ọfụchara fancha na ọrụ na Zion o wee unu amụrụ ndị ife niile si ga-etu ahụ ghelu ka akwụkwọ. Throughout yesterday, we knew. I had this information since yesterday. I'm happy, even I'm happy. Can they discourage people? Can they succeed? And at the end of the day, that his ministry cannot be stopped, that his calling cannot be stopped by any man. And that Bagungu, even an scapegoat. It has to do you will disgrace yourself more if you keep fighting Evangelist Ebuka Obi. He has shown you that you are no more the father of internet. Social media, he has beat you to that. Go say that even that internet, if you will key to no go key out. Before your very own eyes. Down at the mention of your name. Did they parego? Did they orafa? Still Zubu. You are still going now to the point where people that enough is enough. Be happy na growth of your fellow or your colleagues. Be happy. Doesn't even matter whether no Italian sock or Italian sock. We are not even talking about that one. And so what? Eh? And so what? The joy of every father who can wear career mayor of ma or block or come wear name of ma. No one natural or come wear name of my wizard. No one natural. Ọkụ ụmụ name of man wish or amosuko or carry here to her. So okwu ka na-arịpụtakwu okwu ka na-arịpụta ekwubo okwu ụfọdụ n'ime na obi amapụwa n'ọnụ. Ịghọta gasịrị na atụ ilu nkiri ka ngụta. Onye ọmara eburu Elijah Enugu ka mkpọrọ ngụnwa na-emenshọn nem. Bịakwa ebe a menshọn wakwa nem bịa. Kedu ife obi uji eje n'onye ahụ na ọnwụ na ịma na o nwere onye ọzọ mkpọ na Elijah Enugu werie na another person. Ịghọtago ya ọ na-afụbụghị ife o ikpe Chineke ya ekpe ehika and ekwuru na ikpe ya ebido n'ụlọ ụka. Indeed, judgment will start from the church. Ezugo anyị ejena nke izi bata ịghọtago ọfọkwa. Share this video.